Good morning, students. Welcome you all in today's session that is of Standard 4. We are starting lesson number 4. The name of lesson 4 is Word Processor, as you can see on your screen. Now, students, what is Word Processor and which software we will use for this word processing? I am going to tell you. First of all, we have to know about the software which we are including in word processor. Microsoft Word is an application software used for word processing. First of all, we have to know about the software. The software is Microsoft Word, right? In short form, we can say it Word. But what is the use of Word? Word is used for word processing. Now the question arises, what is word processing? Right now, it was introduced by Microsoft Corporation, one of the largest companies in the software development. Who developed it? Who created? Microsoft company, Microsoft Corporation created. And what is my Microsoft Corporation? It is the world's largest means biggest, सबसे बड़ा, largest companies in software development. ये जितनी भी बड़ी बड़ी companies हैं, उनमें से ये एक है, one of the largest, right? Microsoft Word has the power and flexibility too. Now, what is the meaning of word processing? With these options, we can understand what is word processing. ये जितने भी काम अभी हम पढ़ेंगे, जितने फीचर्स हमने पढ़ने हैं, these all are word processing, right? We can include it in word processing. Number 1, produce letter. You can write letters. Reports, you can create reports. Notices, you can issue notices. Newsletters, you can prepare newsletters. Books, you can design books. Bills, you can issue bills, etc. quickly and in presentable manner. कि बहुत ही fast, very quick, very fast and presentable, which looks nice. That is presentable manner, right? So we can produce letters, reports, notices, newsletters. Newsletter means newspaper type, right? Books, bills, etc. Right? And very quickly, very fast and presentable manners in beautiful way, right? Modifying the text. Not only we can write, we can modify it. Modify means to change. If we want to some change into our already written data, then we can make changes in it, right? Modify the text both while typing and after typing. Suppose I am typing, I'm showing you one example that this is the word. Look, students, suppose I type hello and one L I write only. This is wrong, na? Then I can change like this. This is typing, and after that, after typing, now I stop typing. I realize that exclamatory sign should be there at the end of the hello, and I put it. Means we can modify our data while typing, कि जब हम टाइप कर रहे हैं, एंड आफ्टर टाइपिंग, और टाइपिंग के बाद भी कभी भी वी कैन मेक मॉडिफिकेशन, हम इसमें चेंज कर सकते हैं, राइट बेटा? नेक्स्ट इज ब्यूटिफाई द टेक्स्ट यूजिंग कलर, स्टाइल, font size, border, shading and various effects. We can we can beautify it. We can make its decoration, you can say. Easy word is decoration, so you can understand very easily. And how we can decorate our data, we will learn in this lesson. Insert graphics and make use of various drawing tools to draw pictures. We can make drawing also in it, not very perfectly as we can do in paintbrush, but some drawing we can draw, some graphics we can use, some graphics we can insert also, but not like MS Paint, but many options we can do in it. Like next, copy and move the text from one location to another. Suppose you write something and you need again of the same data, then you can use copy option. Copy means to make a duplicate, right? And move means shifting. Suppose you want to move the data from one location to another, then you can move. उसकी location हम change कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? Preview the text before printing, and when we want to take print out of it, जब हम उसका print लेना चाहते हैं, then before it we can see that how our page will print. हमारा पेज कैसे प्रिंट होगा, right? Take multiple printouts, और सिर्फ एक ही नहीं, we can take more than one printout, right? So these are the flexibility, or you can say these are the work which we can done in word processing. And the software which are we are going to learn, which are going to understand, this is Microsoft Word, and the version is 2010. It can be changed in your computer, 2007, 2013, 2014. It depends which software you installed into your computer. Now start. How we can start MS Word? Now I'm going to tell you. First of all, click on Start button. This is Start button. Then All Programs. Then Microsoft Office. As I have Microsoft Office 2013. It can be changed. It can be vary in your computer. Click on it. After that, all the Microsoft softwares will be listed just under the Microsoft Office, and we have to choose Word, MS Word. Click on it. When you click on it, you will get another window. You have to choose blank document here. Blank. Click on it and you will get this kind of screen, as you can see into your book. This is the same screen. Right, student? Now I will introduce all the screen parts to you. These are the component of the MS Word screen, you can say, right? Word document window. First of all, this is File tab. Blue in color, File tab. It has all the commands which is related to file, like info, new, open, save as, print, share, export, close, account, options, etc. Right? Second is, this is File tab. These are tabs. These are tabs like Home, Insert, Design, Page Layout, Reference, Mailings, Review, View, etc. Right? Why is that etc.? Because sometimes we have more tabs in MS Word, right? You will know it after. Now students, when we click on any tab, we will have all the commands related to it, and these related commands will show just under the tab, all the tabs. And this area is called a ribbon. Area is called the ribbon. Okay. Like when I click on Home tab, we have some, I have some different command. When I click on Insert, then you can see all the commands are changed. Same way with Design, Page Layout, Reference, Mailings, Review, and View. Whenever you click on any tab, you will get related commands on the ribbon just under the tabs area. After it, first of all, we know that the very first line is called title bar, like this document 1 Word. Whenever you open any file, any new file in computer, it will come with document 1 name. It is by default name, जो अपने आप आता है, that is by default. Document 1 in MS Word only, right? Or This is the software. Word means we are opening document 1 and the software name is Word, MS Word, Microsoft Word. At the right hand side, we have some control buttons. These are control buttons like help. Next is ribbon display option like this. We have 3 options in it. You can check like this. This is automatically hidden. Show tabs. Now only tabs will show. Auto hide ribbon option off. This is already off. Next, show tabs and commands. In this way, you will see all the options with tab and ribbon. Okay. So this is our title bar. At the right hand side, we have some command buttons. We all know about it, like minimize, restore down, or maximize भी इसका नाम होता है, and last close if you want to close the MS Word. At the left hand side, we have some more used, mostly used commands, frequently used commands. This area is called quick access toolbar. This is quick access toolbar. We can add some more command in it. Suppose you want to add draw table. Now you can observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 options we have. When I click on draw table, one option more added. If I want to remove it, then I can directly remove, click on it and draw table. It will remove. Right, students? So this is the area of title bar. After that, just under it, I told you that this is tabs area, and under it, it's ribbon. Just under it, we have rulers. How many types of rulers we have? We have 2 types of rulers. First is upper side and second is left hand side. Ruler, what is ruler? Ruler means your scale, just like your scale, right? And what is the use of it? When we want to make file according to the perfect size given to us, then we can use this scale. Suppose I want to draw any shape till 2 inches, right? 2 inch, then we can draw only between this area. Okay, beta? Clear? So, and this is our working area, you can say, or document area. It has so many names: working area, document area, right? Ribbon, close button, maximize, minimize, title bar. It's all already done. And this is our document area or working area. Both names are correct. Okay? Working area, because this area is for work, or document area, this area is for making document. Okay. Okay. At the end, sorry, these are the scroll bars. When your screen is bigger than the screen size, your document is bigger, then we can move it up and down like this. And these are the scroll bars. I'm going to show you by another example. Just wait. Like this. Suppose this is our document and it is not visible in one screen. Then we can use these scroll buttons. Look, these are the scroll button at the bottom and the right hand side. Look, student. Okay. When the screen is bigger, document is bigger than our computer screen, then we can use these commands. Now, from the left and right, screen is very much visible. Then the bottom scroll bar automatically disappear. नीचे वाला scroll bar की अब जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि साइडों से नजर आ रहा है. Then it will automatically disappear. ये देखो गायब हो गया. But this scroll bar is there because the document is very lengthy. Okay, students. Let's go back. Okay. This was the introduction of the screen. Let me change the page. One more thing. Okay, whenever you open any Word document, then you will have this blinking line, as you can see in the screen. This blinking line is called cursor. C-U-R-S-O-R. C-U-R-S-O-R. Cursor. What is the use of it? If you want to write something anywhere in computer, you need this cursor. It means where this cursor is, we can write there only. Like this. अगर cursor यहाँ पर है तो मैंने यहाँ पे लिख दिया है. ये देखो जैसे जैसे I am writing, the cursor is moving ahead. You can see. और अगर मुझे यहाँ पे कुछ डैश लाइन लगाना है, suppose, then I have to bring my cursor here. Now I can write like this. अब मुझे यहाँ लिखना है, then I have to bring it here, and after that I can type. If cursor is there and I want to type this location, I can't. I can type only, or we can type only where our cursor is, right? So this is our cursor. Now entering the text or selecting the text. I will tell you today how we can select different kind of data, like this table. This table we are going to learn how we can use different kind of selection tool in MS Word with the help of mouse. First of all, if I want to select a word, because if you want to change or making some formatting effect on your data, then we have to save it first. So sorry, select it first, right? Now, selection is very important. जब तक आप किसी डाटा को सिलेक्ट नहीं करोगे, then we can't make any effect on it. Okay, so first of all we have to learn how we can select. सबसे पहले हमें select करना सीखना पड़ेगा. I am giving you an example here that if I said you that if you are in class and I am taking your class, and if I said you that please bring a chalk from the library, at this time on my this command, many student will start to run, है ना? एकदम से सभी भागने लगेंगे. क्यों? Because I am not selecting anyone. अगर मैं बोलता हूँ कि ओके रोल नंबर 5 और रोल नंबर 6 या रोल नंबर 7 will stand up and go to library and bring chalk for the class, right? तो जिस रोल नंबर को मैं उठाऊंगा, जिस रोल नंबर को मैं बोलूंगा, वही स्टूडेंट उठ के जाएगा. तो ये जो मैं स्टूडेंट का रोल नंबर या नेम जो बोल रहा हूँ, दैट इज सिलेक्शन. मैंने इतने सारे बच्चों में मैंने एक बच्चे को क्या कर लिया, सिलेक्ट कर लिया, और उसके बाद जो मैंने कमांड दी, दैट विल लिसन ओनली बाय द स्टूडेंट और लिसन बाय एवरीवन, बट रिएक्शन विल बी देयर ओनली बाय दैट स्टूडेंट व्हिच इज सिलेक्टेड. जो सिलेक्ट है वही आगे उसको बात को सुन के काम करेगा. सुन तो लेंगे सभी, बट काम वही करेगा, राइट? बिकॉज द स्टूडेंट इज सिलेक्टेड बाय मी. सेम वे when we want to apply any effect on our data, उसको हमने सुंदर बनाना है, बोल्ड, इटैलिक, अंडरलाइन, कलर, साइज, कुछ भी करना है, then we have to select it first. And selection के लिए let's start. First of all, a word. If I want to select word, then only double click on the word. Look, suppose I want to select century. Okay, double click on it. Look student, the word is automatically selected. You can see, double click, the word is selected. Okay. Next, a sentence. Hold down control key and click anywhere on the sentence. कोई भी एक सेंटेंस आपने, और सेंटेंस हमारा कहाँ खत्म होता है? फुल स्टॉप पे, राइट? इफ यू वांट टू सिलेक्ट the entire sentence, then no need to worry. Just press your control button, hold it, and click anywhere in the sentence. I'm giving you example. Suppose this is our sentence. Control button मैंने दबाया, click कर दिया. Look, entire sentence automatically select. दोबारा देख लो, कंट्रोल मैंने दबाया और कहीं भी बीच में, मान लीजिए लास्ट में मैंने कर दिया, तब भी पूरा सेंटेंस सिलेक्ट हो जाता है, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? आफ्टर दैट, a paragraph, complete paragraph I want to select. Then triple click anywhere in the paragraph. 3 बार क्लिक लगातार माउस से हमने करना है पैराग्राफ में कहीं पर भी, और डबल क्लिक इन द लेफ्ट मार्जिन ऑफ द पैराग्राफ. आई एम गिविंग द एग्जांपल, प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल. I am showing you paragraph. Just wait. Look students, if you want to select the entire paragraph, then suppose this is our paragraph and I am going to click 3 times inside it. 1, 2, 3. It's very easy. No need to be so quick. 1, 2, 3. But ऐसे नहीं, 1, 2, 3 अलग अलग जगह पे नहीं, on the same location. 1, 2, 3. The entire paragraph will select. और दूसरी ऑप्शन क्या है? ये जो लेफ्ट मार्जिन होता है इधर, जहां जाके हमारा कर्सर चेंज हो जाता है, देखो, लुक, है ना? दिस इज आई बीम एंड व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन, व्हेन मूव ऑन इट एट द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, हियर वी कांट राइट एनीथिंग बिकॉज दिस इज द मार्जिन. यहाँ जाके आप डबल क्लिक कर दो, 1, 2, या तो बीच में जाके 1, 2, 3, और एट फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, लेफ्ट हैंड मार्जिन, 1, 2, 1, 2, like this, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, clear? This type of selection we can do. After that, a paragraph, a large block of text. It is very easy. How? Click on first where you want to start to select. Suppose मैंने यहाँ से select किया, it से, and I want to select till BSNL. Suppose यहाँ तक. Then click on it. First cursor will come. Press shift button, hold it and click at the last. Look, दोबारा देखो. Suppose मुझे यहाँ से start करना है BSNL से, यहाँ से लेके मुझे लास्ट तक जाना, यहाँ तक जाना है. Suppose provide तक. Click on it, cursor will come and shift button दबा के रखो और next पे click कर दो. ये देखो, इस तरह से आप इसको select कर सकते हो. Okay बेटा, is it clear? And if you want to select entire document, तो बहुत ही आसान है. In selection area, while holding down the control or triple click in any selection area, control button से. How will you do that? Like this, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or one more option, Control A with the help of keyboard. In this way, you can select entire document. ये सारा document select. So it was the selection portion, which I told you how many ways we have in which we can select different text criteria, like this: one word, one sentence, one paragraph, or specific data range or entire document. Right, student? I hope you understood that.